Physiographic divisions of India. India has a great diversity in its physical features such as mountains, plains, desert, plateaus, coast and islands. India is broadly divided into 6 natural regions. Students, you have learnt in 4th class about the India physical divisions. Here are the physical divisions of India. You can see on the map the northern mountain, the northern plain, desert, southern plateau, coastal plains, central highlands and islands. The Great Himalaya, the northern mountain. Himalaya means him means snow, alaya means house of snow. The Himalaya is the house of snow. These mountain ranges run in west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra river. The Himalayas represent the loftiest and the most rugged mountain barriers in the world. They are also known as the Junglefold Mountains. The Himalayas are 2,400 kilometer long. 400 kilometer Jammu and Kashmir and 150 kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. There are Great Himalayas are further divided into 3 ranges: the Great Himalaya, the Himadri, the Lesser Himalaya or Himachal and the Shivalik. You can see the divisions on the map. The 3 divided ranges: the Shivalik, the Lesser Himalayas and the Himadri. Himadri part is the northmost range. It contains the loftiest peak and the average highest peak is 6,000 meters. The world's highest peak is the Mount Everest is found in this range. Its height is 8,848 meters. And the some other peaks, Kanchenjunga, Dholgiri, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Nanda Devi, all lies in this range. Second is the Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas, which lie toward the south of the Great Himalayas, its most important mountain range. Lesser Himalayas is the main mountain range are Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal is the largest range in the Lesser Himalayas, and Dauladhar, Mahabharat range are also found here. And valleys like Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kullu Valley are present here. And here are some hill stations like Kullu Manali, Kufri, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, etc. Shivalik. Shivalik is the longitudinal value. Longitudinal value lies between Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as a dun. For example, we have Dehradun, the northern plains. The northern plains in India is formed by 3 river system: the Indus, the Brahmaputra river and the Ganga river. The plain is composed mainly alluvial soil which has deposited by the flowing rivers over millions of years. And Indus and Ganga, Brahmaputra, the availability of water is in abundance. Their region is agriculturally very productive. And northern plain is divided into 3 sections: Punjab plain, Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plain. Students, you can see the blue lines on the map. These are the water bodies. The Indus part, Punjab plain, the Indus and its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byar, Satluj. These are the main tributaries of the Indus. It is found by the Indus river. And major portion of these plains in Pakistan. Ganga plain. This part is called the Ganga plain. Ganga plain comprises the states of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, part of Jharkhand, West Bengal and the Union Territory of Delhi. And Ganga tributaries like Jamuna, Ganga, Ghagra, Ghandak, Kosi, Teesta. These are the main tributaries of the northern plain in the Ganga plain. Brahmaputra plain forms eastern part of northern plain. It is the main drained by the Brahmaputra river, which later joined the Ganga. These rivers drain into the Bay of Bengal, forming the large delta called the Sundarban Delta. Next, the Indian Desert. Thar Desert is the Indian Desert. It lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. This region gets very less rainfall. The climate is dry and vegetation found is very less. Southern Plateau. It is broadly divided into two regions, the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland, this part of the on the India map shown as Central Highland, part of Peninsular Plateau laying to the north of the Narmada River, covering with the major area of Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highland. Eastern and Western Ghats. Eastern Ghats run from West Bengal state in the north through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu is the south, passing some parts of the Karnataka. And the Western Ghat is the formed by the Malabar Plain and the chain of mountains running parallel of India's western coast pass through the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. Coastal plains. Coastal plains. Deccan Plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plain on the east and west. The western coastal plain in the thin strip of coastal plain with the width of 50 km between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. It is divided into three sections, the Konkan, Mumbai, Goa and the Kannada plain and the Malabar coast. Islands. There are two groups of islands, Lakshadweep Island and Arabian in the Arabian Sea and Nicobar in Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island is the shape of these horseshoe shaped islands are mainly made of corals and administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Andaman Nicobar Islands. The Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. They are made of 233 small islands. And the northern cluster of islands are known as Andaman Nicobar. Southern cluster is known as the Nicobar and Port Blair has its capital. The islands are located close to the equator and thus experience equatorial type of climate and have a thick forest cover.